Need to reset your Verizon remote? This full guide walks you through every step. First, identify your remote model, Gen 1, Gen 2, or voice remote. Unplug the set-top box power for 10 seconds, then plug it back in. Remove the remote batteries, wait 5 seconds, then reinstall fresh batteries. On many models, press and hold the A and D buttons together for 5 seconds. If the power light blinks, aim remote at the box and press OK to pair. To factory reset, press and hold the setup and X buttons until the LED flashes. Voice remotes use the microphone button and pairing sequence listed on screen. If pairing fails, move closer, remove obstructions, and replace batteries again. Older models may use a menu reset inside the set-top box settings. Recap: power cycle, battery refresh, pairing buttons, or factory reset if needed. Still stuck? Contact Verizon support or visit verizon.com/help for step-by-step visuals.